Hello, this is Kamal Vyas, your Scrum Guide. Project managers play a critical role in ensuring projects are delivered on time, within scope, and within budget. They coordinate multiple teams, track progress, manage risks, and keep stakeholders informed. If any one of these areas slips, the project feels the impact immediately. Yet in reality, a large part of the project manager's day is spent on planning documents, reports, follow up emails, and recurring meetings. That's time taken away from solving real problems. This is where artificial intelligence becomes a practical assistance. AI helps automate routine work, analyze project data faster, and support better decisions. Let's explore how AI can support project managers in their daily work. One of the first responsibilities of a project manager is creating a project plan and breaking a big idea up into manageable tasks. This is often harder than it sounds. You might be told, build a mobile banking application with very little detail. AI tools can help turn that high level idea into a structured plan by suggesting a work breakdown, task limits, timelines, and milestones. For example, AI can propose activities like requirement gathering, user interface design, backend development, testing, and deployment. The project manager reviews these suggestions, adjusts them, and finalizes the plan. Tools like ChatGPT, ClickUp, and Asana with AI features make planning faster while keeping ownership firmly with the project manager. Once execution begins, project managers constantly monitor progress to keep work on track. Traditionally, this relies on manual updates and status checks, which often reveal problems too late. AI improves this by continuously analyzing project data. It can spot patterns that indicate schedule risks, highlight tasks likely to miss deadlines, and suggest balancing workloads across the team. Think of AI as an early warning system. With tools such as Microsoft Project with AI Insights, Monday.com, and Smartsheet, project managers get dashboards that surface risks early, giving them time to act before issues escalate. Risk management is another core responsibility where AI adds real value. Risks are simply things that might go wrong in the future, like resource shortages, budget overruns, or delayed dependencies. Traditionally, identifying these risks depends heavily on experience and judgment. AI strengthens this process by analyzing historical project data and identifying patterns linked to past failures. It can flag likely risk areas and even suggest possible mitigation actions. Tools like Forecast, Rike, and IBM Watson support data-driven risk analysis. Importantly, AI recommends, but the project manager decides, combining data with context and experience. Meetings are unavoidable in project management, but documenting them is time-consuming. Project managers attend planning sessions, reviews, and stakeholder meetings, then spend additional time writing notes and reports. AI can automate much of this work. It can record meetings, generate clear summaries, identify action items, and even draft status reports. Tools like Otter.ai, Fireflies.ai, and Microsoft Copilot allow project managers to focus on discussions itself instead of worrying about documentation, saving hours every week. Clear communication with stakeholders is essential. Stakeholders want simple, accurate updates, not raw data. AI tools help generate weekly status reports, executive summaries, and visual dashboards by translating complex project information into clear insights. This makes communication faster, more consistent, and easier to understand, helping build trust and support informed decision making. Artificial intelligence is transforming how project managers work. From planning and tracking to risk management, reporting, and communication, AI improves efficiency across the project lifecycle. However, AI will not replace project managers. Instead, it frees them from repetitive work so they can focus on leadership, strategic decisions, and team collaboration. The future of project management is AI assisted, faster, and more data driven. Thank you for watching.